Video, I'm going to be showing you how you can trade on Stormgain and Binance. So please pay attention to what I'm about to share with you. It's very important you understand the basics. So let's say I share a signal in the group. I'm going to explain limit orders. I'm going to be explaining market orders, and also I'm going to be explaining market price, and also how to input your TP and LS stop loss. So yesterday I sent this particular signal in the group. That was buy AVAX/USDT. If I just write buy AVAX, that means you are just buying. You don't have to input limit orders. When you go to your Binance account, okay, if you are going to use Binance to trade, you just click on the perpetual one here. Then you type in AVAX, okay, then you type in what? USDT. Then you click on it this way. Look at it, AVAX USDT. It have come. Then you change the limit here. Just the order box. You can see the order box at the right hand side. This is the order box, the limit. You change the limit to market. Then you just click on buy. But before you enter buy, you make sure you drag this thing. When you are dragging it, check below the green button, the buy/long. When I'm dragging it, you can see the numbers are changing, the cost. The top one just on top of the green bar is changing. So I'm saying that if your account is less than $100, your maximum should be $15 of lot size. If your account is not more than $100, but if your account is more than $100, you can even input 20 or 30. So right now I have 180 USDT in my account. So let's say I was going to trade this. I'll just drag it here to 30. Okay, then also you can, when I share the signal, so let's say I just share this particular signal here, buy AVAX USDT. Then you can go to your Stormgain if you have money in your Stormgain. So this is what I do. I divide my money into two. I have, let's say, 200 in my Binance wallet, and I have 150 or 160 in my Stormgain. So I'll click on the trading button here just below under the left corner here. Then I'll just click on the search bar, the search box, that in here. You click on it at the top right left hand side. Click on the search box, then you type in the cryptocurrency that I've just shared in the group. So we have AVAX USDT. You can see it, look at it, AVAX USDT. The same thing that is on Binance. That's the same thing here. The reason why we are using Stormgain is because they have higher leverage. That means you can make a lot of money with Stormgain than Binance. So I'm saying that if you want, you can only, if you want, you can use Binance only. If you want, you can use Stormgain. The minimum deposit for Stormgain using XLM is $5. So even if you have $10, you can deposit into your Stormgain account. Just make sure you convert it to XLM. I did a video about how to deposit to Stormgain, so you can go and watch it. So let's say I shared this particular signal in the group. This one, I shared buy AVAX USDT, and I put LS. LS stand for stop loss, and TP stand for take profit, where I want us to leave the trade. And LS stand for when the price hit this, we should go out. We should not trade again. Okay, so let's go to Stormgain. So this is Stormgain. I just said you should buy AVAX USDT, and you search for AVAX. Then you click on the AVAX here. So I'm saying you should buy. Buy means long. So you are going to click on the buy button here. So when you click on the buy button, remember, if you are trading on Stormgain and your balance is less than $100, make sure your leverage is 30. If your balance is less than $100, your leverage, you can see this green bar here, the leverage should be 30. Okay, then the amount to invest, always input $20. The amount to invest, $20 if your balance is less than $100. If your balance is more than $100, you can go to $50 to invest. You can see we have wallet, okay, then we have amount to invest, we have leverage. So the leverage is how much you are willing to enlarge your position size. So if I drag this, it's dangerous, it's not good. But because my account is even more than $100, I can even go up to 50% leverage. So if you have, let's say, $200 in your Storm Gain account, or let's say you have $300, you can even go to $500 or 500 leverage, 500x. You can see. So just drag it to 30 if your account is less than $100. If you have $100, drag it to 30, then you change this to $50 or $20, any that you want to invest. Then we have take profit, so click on it. So remember yesterday, what did I say? The take profit was 18.250. so you come here, you enter. The take profit is supposed to be 18.250. So you click on price. You can see we have amount, and when you click here, we have price. So you click on 18 point what? So we have 18.250. So let's enter 18.250. Okay, so that's your take profit. Then we have stop loss. So the stop loss is what? 16.368. Then we enter 16.368. Then you get on Storm Gain. But on Binance, so let's say I'm doing a limit order. Now I'm doing a limit order. Okay, so let's say I shared. Now I'm doing a limit order. The first thing was market price on Storm Gain. Now we are doing a limit order on Storm Gain. So let's say I'm giving you a particular price that you need to enter. I did, when I'm giving a limit order, it's always entry price. When I give a limit order, it's always entry price. So what you want to do is you want to go back to your Storm Gain. If, like I said, the thing you want to trade, some of it is on Storm Gain, you can just click here. Then you type it in, AVAX, the cryptocurrency. If it is not on Storm Gain, that means you can only trade it on Binance. So you click on it here. Okay. Now, let's say we are going to enter at a particular time. We are going to use limit orders. So you click on buy here. So once you are clicking on buy, you drag this thing to this place here, 30. Then you click on limit. You see we have market and limit. Click on limit order. Now when you click on limit order, you can see we have amount to invest, So just below the amount to invest, we have limit/stop price. So click on the limit/stop price. Then you enter the entry position. You see here we have GTC USDT entry price. So you copy the 1 point this thing and come and paste it here. So let's say we are going to enter the price at this particular place. Okay, so this is where we want to enter the price. You just enter 16.69. Then you click on set. Then you click on buy. Okay, so when you click on buy, you should have your active trade here. So this is our limit orders. So right now I've just set a limit order. So if I'm sending a signal, you need to check your Storm Gain. If you want to use Storm Gain and trade, just come to trading here on Storm Gain. Then you click on the search box and type that currency inside, that pair, the one that I share in the group. So if, like I say, AVAX USDT, then you type it in, it will come. Then you click on it. If it's a market order, you just configure it and buy once. But if it is limit order, you click on limit/stop loss. Then you reduce this one to 30. The amount to invest, you can decide how much you want to invest. Then we have the stop price or slash limit. They also have the take profit. I always give you take profit and stop loss. I won't give you before, like when I just give the signal out, I'll try and give you stop loss and take profit. Okay, sometimes I'll just give the signal and within 2 minutes I'll give you the take profit. So you click on this one to on it. Now you are going to enter the take profit that I share in the group. So the take profit is the TP. So you can either decide whether you want to use TP4 or you want to use TP5 or TP3, each one that you like. Then we have LS. For the LS, it's compulsory you copy it and come and paste it here. So this is where you are pasting your LS. Then you just click on save. So this is how you trade on StormGain. Let's say I share a signal in the group. Okay, now please pay attention. I've been doing this video several times. I'm now tired. Please, I want you to understand. Some people will rush and go and do things and they will tell you that they don't understand. When you are sharing signals, they will be texting you up and down. Meanwhile, I'm supposed to focus on the chat and give you a signal, and you are just texting me. So just pay attention to this video. Make sure you fund your Binance Features wallet and also your StormGain. Okay, so you can decide whether you want to use StormGain or Binance. So you can decide whether you want to use your StormGain to trade or you want to use your Binance to trade. So I usually divide my money into two. I have money in my StormGain and also on my Binance. For the crypto major pairs, I trade them on StormGain, and the smaller ones like Zen and other stuff, I trade them on Binance Features. So right now I'm going to be teaching you how you can trade on Binance. Please just pay close attention. Okay, so what you want to do is, if I send a signal like this, if I send something like this and it's GT/USDT and I said long and I put entry price, that means that you are not going to use market order. You are going to use limit order. You are going to copy these numbers and go to your Binance. Okay, you are going to change this thing, the cryptocurrency, to GTC USDT right now. You will change it to GTC USDT first. Okay, let's change it to GTC USDT, and you change the market to limit and paste the price. So let's go to GTC. So we select this one. Then we change this market. Just below the buy and sell, we have market. So you change it to limit. Now when you change it to limit, you are going to copy these numbers, the 1.516, and come and paste them here. So we have 1.156. Okay, let me just confirm it. 1.516. Okay, you are going to paste the numbers just below the limit. Now please, I want you to observe something. As I am dragging this thing, this triangle thing here, as I'm dragging it, you can see just below the big green line we have buy and we also have long. We have buy and we also have long. This buy and long will help you enter the trade. If I tell you to sell, you just change this thing to sell. You change it at the top. You see we have buy and sell. You change it to sell. But if I tell you to buy, you change it to buy. So now you have changed it to buy. I gave you the entry price. That is 1.516. That's the entry price. TP stand for take profit. TP stand for take profit. So just below this thing, just below the triangular button here, we have TP/LS. So the TP is this one. So for me, I usually use the fourth TP. So we have 1.605. 1.605. Then our LS stop loss 1.450. 1.450. Okay, now you are going to enter the entry price. So the entry price is 1.516. okay, so 1.156. 1.1516. okay, this is it. Now you click on done, then you go for buy long, and I'm telling you, if your balance is less than $100, don't go beyond 30 cost. So because my balance is more than $100, I can even go up to 30 or 40. So I'll go to 30 here. Because I said we should buy, then you just click on buy. Okay, so with the limit order, it will appear here. It will appear at the open orders. It will just be there till price reach our entry point, then it will open. But when you use market order, it will open instant. Within 1 minute, it will appear at the open price here. Okay, when you use market order, if I just send a signal, so let's say yesterday I sent this particular signal in the group, buy AVAX USDT. Okay, you just come, then you just click on the GTC and change it to AVAX USDT. So we search for AVAX here, then you can see it, AVAX USDT. That one, because I said market price, I didn't give you entry. You just click the limit here and change it to market. When you change it to market, now you start dragging this thing. Okay, you start dragging this thing. When you are dragging it, you see like the price will start to change. The price will start to change. Okay, then TP, I gave you TP. TP stands for take profit, 18.250. So you enter 18.250 just below the box here, 18.250. Then we go back to what? Listen, LS stands for stop loss. So you go to 16.350. So we enter 16.350. That's it. Then you enter buy. So if I enter buy at this particular time, this AVAX USDT, it will appear at the open position. It will appear at the position here. But because we are using limit orders, these are the trades here. The limit orders will still be here until price fall to that particular entry price that we are talking about. So this is how you enter positions on Binance and also on StormGame. So let's say I give you limit orders, but you don't have enough capital. You can just come and close them. You can close some of these things. So you can just close. Let's close this.